La médecine naturelle au Cameroun a longtemps fait la fierté des populations d'une époque très reculée. Très peu de personnes tombaient malades. Bref, le grand pourcentage des hommes et femmes, enfants, adultes, vieux et vieillards étaient toujours en parfaite santé. Comment en est-on arrivé à ce niveau? Explication du spécialiste de la médecine naturelle au Cameroun, le docteur Bella Ndewa.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are following me from across the world. I am called Dr. Bella Ndewa. I believe that, as the society is meant, just like you can have a pot of soup that needs salt, so too does the society need Dr. Bella Ndewa. This is a transgenerational phenomenon that has created impact in West Africa, in Central Africa, West African sub-region, Central African sub-region. Today, after having gone across the entire Cameroonian territory, I discovered that, the objective to find out why Cameroonians, instead of living, survive. Why is it that Cameroonians are dying young? This, as a young growing man, gave me a lot of passion. This gave me a lot of vision, because I didn't want to live to see this kind of suffering. And through my prayers, through hard work, I'm going to show you my proof. I went through Cameroon. I discovered that Cameroonians are suffering because of the lifestyle they are living on daily basis. Hear me from across the world. We need assistance today. We really do need assistance, because, I discovered that there are so many pharmacists, so many hospitals, so many miracle working prophets, pastors, churches every here and there, but the misery is only getting worse. What is happening? Because the task that is reserved to our lifestyle, we decided to abandon it. The task that is reserved for our life, we abandon it to pharmacies, to hospitals, to churches. Therefore, when I talk of lifestyle, that is the base for which African Dream Sancté exists. That is the base for which Bella Ndewa Lifestyle Academy exists. And what we are here to find out is, how do you feed yourself on daily basis? What kind of activities do you undertake on daily basis? How do you treat yourself on daily basis? So Bella helps you to get well from whatever form of infection, be it incurable, be it curable, or whatever name you can call it, helps you to live your full lifespan. After getting well, you are now accompanied to your nutritional, how would I call that? To your dietary, through diet. You are accompanied through diet, and you are equally accompanied through sports and lifestyle generally, for you to stay in good health. Professional as I am, I know what I'm talking about, because I am born in the context of medicine. I am born in the context of what I am talking about. This is a vocation. Meet us for now. Bella, you will see us across, Douala and Yaoundé, which are the major metropolitan cities in Cameroon. You will meet us across Yaoundé. You will see our stands Bella. You will see our stands Bella, and then in Douala you will also see it. But the sports hall is found behind the Cité Verte District Hospital, towards the Cité Verte Hotel. Thanks a lot.